Good evening, guys. Hope you're all doing well today. Hope you guys are having a great day wherever you are in the world today. So in this video, I want to talk to you guys about Club Cash Fund. Is it real? And I also want to give you guys a few tips and tricks for your Club Cash Fund business. Okay, so I'm just gonna log in. Give me a second. And we'll show you my back office. All right, now to answer the first part of this video, is Club Cash Fund real? The obvious answer, yes it is. Alright, now as you guys can see on my dashboard here, so far, and I say so far for a reason, but so far I have one referral which earned me $20. Okay, so I should be receiving that payment in the next few days. They mailed it out to me this past Friday, and I'll show you a little bit of proof of that. So with Club Cash Fund, it's an easy way to receive $20 payments in the mail. Okay, the program itself gives you a whole bunch of tools that you can use to market your business. All right, let me go to some of these tools real quick. Click on the marketing tab. Now, what's great about this? It gives you pre-written email ads. All right, you have three pre-written email ads, that you can use for your business. One. And then you have two. I'm not going to show you the third one. I'll let you guys take a look at that one yourself when you sign up. All right. So you have the swipes. You have the form code. Basically, what a form code is, it's a code that you can use to create a opt-in portion on your website for Club Cash Fund. All right. So basically, it's an HTML code. And if you have your own website, then you use that code, embed that code into your website. All right. But if you don't have your own website, don't worry about that. All right. And you also have banners as well that you can copy and paste onto your website as well. All right. But for now, you can focus on the email swipes. Now, a few tips that I'm going to give you guys really quick on Club Cash Fund. The easiest way to market this business, I would say, is to use it with different platforms. Let's say, for example, market your business on Facebook, right? Talk about your experiences with it, and if you don't have any payment proof, that's okay. You can leverage other people's proof. All right, you can borrow proof from within the group, I believe, and you can use that. All right, but you want to use social media, right? You want to also focus on like traffic exchange sites, like a Hercules or what's another good one? Traffic ad bar, so you can drive traffic to your site. All right, now another thing you need to know is that a lot of people promote Club Cash. All right, so it's important that if you can find a way to create your own website, use Weebly or use Wix, create a free website, use a different website. All right, because again, a lot of people are promoting this particular capture page. Hold on, let me go to website. So what's going to happen? A lot of people are going to promote this funnel here. And this is pretty much the standard capture page funnel that every single person is going to use when they're posting in Facebook groups, when they're posting in the classified ad sites, when they're posting in the traffic exchange site. So if you can, and I stress that because a lot of people or they don't have the funds right now to purchase a capture page builder or a website builder. But if you can, I highly suggest you guys create something completely different, something that you could put your own spin on and promote it that way. All right. Another way you could also do this is you could promote it offline as well. So the premise with Club Cash Fund is you get people to come to your site, right? Once they fill out the information, they put in their name and their email, and you get that information, and then they'll be able to request a free starter kit. Once they get that starter kit, they have the option of joining you. All right. And when they join you, you earn $20 for every person that comes in. Okay. Then they're going to do the same exact thing. Now, the products themselves, these are the standard training modules that you get when you join. All right. You have the option to upgrade, but for this video, we're not going to talk about that. These two modules here, email profits and the Facebook strategies. All right. Now, again, because Club Cash Fund is one of the easiest mailbox money opportunities that are out there right now, because you don't have to worry about any stamps, you don't have to worry about any envelopes, You don't have to worry about mailing out any letters yourself. The company does all that for you. All right. So this is something that I highly encourage everyone to be a part of. Okay. So again, make sure you create your own website to promote Club Cash Fund. You can also promote it on different social media sites like a Facebook or even on Instagram, or even like how I'm doing a video right now on YouTube. You can do it like that as well. You have plenty of different options. You just have to find the one that works best for you and your business. And you also have to be extremely consistent with the opportunity. All right. So with that being said, guys, I hope you guys got a little bit of value from this video. And if you have any questions or if you want to get started, you can leave your questions in the comments section, and you can also check out my link in the description section of this video. And I hope to hear from some of you guys soon. One more thing before I go. Go back to the website section. As you guys can see here, I do have a lot of traffic coming to my site. Not a lot of results right now, but I know I'm still promoting and being consistent. So that's another huge key. You have to be promoting on a regular basis. You have to be consistent with your efforts, and in time, the results will come. But you do have to be consistent with the opportunity. Okay? So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you on the next video. You take care and have a good one.